No, goofball. It's me, Ratchet.
What happened?
You got toasted by lightning. This place is having one heck of a storm. You won't be safe out there. I'll be right back.
Yeah, just sit in the metal ship that has no plastic to, you know, disperse the contact. That's fine. It's okay. Is there any real dodging of this one? Like, it is brutal. Like, it just covers the entire area. I have no jetpack. I lost it. Completely forgot that I don't have that. Completely changes how this game is played. I'm sure that's why they did it. Why the fuck are there enemies phasing through? Like, what is that? I can't fucking phase through shit. Like, what the hell, man? Like, what the hell? Where the fuck are those guys getting made from? Oh. Never mind. Don't tase me, bro. Don't tase me. Oh. Okay. 2 blasters? Okay, whatever. Apparently I've only used 2 blasters. Oh god, that was not good. Don't tase me, bro. Ow. It's so good I bought that extra health because I suck so much. Oh god. 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 No. 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 Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No. I don't like it. I don't like it. No. No more of this. Fuck off. Stop. No. Bad. It's not warning any of the others, so I'm fine. Is it gonna stalk me? No. It's not gonna stalk me. It's gonna sit there. And then eventually give up. And I'm fine with that. As long as I don't get ass raped. Fucking. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I know how dangerous that area becomes. Oh god. Whew. Oh yeah, they stop. Why do you stop? Because that one doesn't stop. And now it's gonna be off pattern. Okay. I'm good. I'm safe. I'm okay. What the fuck is that? That was poorly planned. Yeah. I'm gonna go make some...
Congratulations. You just found a Gadgetron morph array. Hold down the circle button.
1 second. What the f... Okay, it makes chickens. I was like, what the fuck does this one do again? Because there's chickens, there's sheep, there's fucking cows, I'm pretty sure, at some point. It's a lot of shit. Okay, now there's this way, because there's 3 ways of going on this fucking hellhole of a mission. Every mission past, like, the one with lava as water is a fucking hellhole mission. I swear. Like, yeah, there's a couple, like, oh yeah, that wasn't that bad. It's not. This one is a whole, like, okay, yeah, you had Clank the entire game. Okay, guess what? You're losing him. There's no more Clank. Have fun. It's like, no, that's like 95% of my strategy. I will not have fun. Oh god. Plus the magnets. The magnets just suck. There we go. Again, I freaking hate these magnets just because how much focus it takes to not fall off them. Especially since I'm prone to that. I am very prone to falling off this shit. And then, you know, I have all the grip back right there, and it's like, oh god. I'm not used to it. Because, yeah. Oh god. Why is there a gold bolt there? I saw a gold bolt. I don't want it. Oh god. Oh god. I don't trust myself, man. Oh god, I don't trust myself. I do not. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. I am like fucking petrified up here. Okay, I'm good. Oh god. That's good. That's good. That's good. Ah, that's good. That's good. Fuck off. Fuck off. You fuck off. You fuck off. You fuck off. Fucking die. Fucking die. I missed. Okay, you're done? Are you done? Oh my god. I think I need a gold bolt just to make myself happy. Oh. Oh. Bye ammo. I didn't need you or anything. It's fine. It's okay. Yeah, if you want to leave me, that's okay. Okay.
Captain
Quark.
Where?
Come on, Quark. I know it's you.
The name's Steve.
Hi,
Nice
Steve.
to meet you.
Look,
Nice to
Steve,
meet you too.
I need to know where Drek is before it's too late.
Did you say too late? Sir, it is never too late to acquire the latest in the long line of quality products from Gadgetron. I have for you, today only, the Gadgetron PDA.
Public display of affection?
No, personal delivery assistant. This device allows you to purchase ammunition wherever and whenever you want it.
Yeah? How do I know it works?
You can always trust Gadgetron quality, or my name's not Steve.
He had no eyeballs there. But my name isn't Steve. No eyeballs.
Thank you, and have a quark-tastic day.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Nothing. That didn't just happen.
I got some great bargains.
Oh,
for you,
cool.
Ray.
The 3 things I have for ammo. Wow, this is the slowest thing ever. You get to look around, you're like, oh cool, everything's upside down. And then like you notice, oh crap, I missed a gold bolt, and you're like, oh god. Now I have to wait through this giant long waiting period where I just stand here. There we go. Nope, there we go. Perfect. Now for the part that's actually difficult. Maybe I can just turn everyone into chickens. Chicken people, chicken people. Oh, cool. Oh, no, that bar actually goes away. Chicken people, chicken people. Oh god. Oh god. No. Bad decision. Bad decision. I made a single chicken person. Okay. So I'm about to die. That's fine though. Okay. Hi man. I'm just gonna. You're fine. You're okay. There, okay, I killed you. Perfect. I want more chickens. Oh, that. Oh. Wow. That's still an effective weapon, apparently. I didn't know that. Oh, so they hyped up the Devastator so much, but it's so useless. Okay, I pressed shoot like 4 times there. It only worked once. I don't know. I don't know what the hell you're trying to pull on me, game, but go fuck yourself. Same with this guy. Oh, that guy leaves when he's not needed. You're needed. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, everyone go away. And I'm just gonna pull up my gun, or my bombs. I'm gonna blast your face. Imagine if I still only had 4 health. I would be fucked. What's this? I have a feeling that would be explodable. Like near the beginning of the game where we had explodable walls. I guess my dreams are crushed. Oh well. Okay, that went really quickly. No! Fine, I'm gonna fucking kill myself then. Guys, let's talk about this. Let's discuss the violence towards Ratchet. I believe you guys should fuck off and stop hurting Ratchet. I know what you guys believe. Fucking hurt Ratchet, whatever the fuck you guys do. I know fucking But, like, honestly, what did Ratchet ever do to any of you? Oh, God. Like, honestly, what did he do to you fine people? This isn't gonna work. I'm gonna die at the next thing that pops up. I know it. Oh, God. I don't want to deal with this, man. Can I just run by? Is that a thing I can do? Like, honestly. Jump! I'm not here. Don't worry about me. Oh, this world. Okay. No. 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 No more of that. Like, come on, man. We can be brothers or something. I don't know. Please, health. Health. Man, I know what I need. Quick select. Nope. Nope. Gadgets. Some of this shit. Nope. 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 Oh. I never went back to what's his fuck. Oh well. I guess that dream's ruined. But I do have ammo, so things are good. Fuck yourself, man. Did it. Now, what else do I have to... Oh, God! Fuck you! End yourself, man. I'm just gonna stay here and breed my chickens. Do you have enough food, Earl? Earl, stay away from the edge. What about you, Fred? Fred, do you have enough food? Don't run from me. Okay. Fine, if you want to kill yourself so much. Okay, guys, now you guys have to breed. You guys are my last chance. I said fuck. Don't make a fool out of me. Don't make a... I swear, don't make a fool out of me. Fuck you. Fuck you. You guys fucked me. You fucked my farm. Ow. I was too lazy to jump. Okay. I know what's happening here. Worst case scenario, I die. Best case scenario, I die. So, you know. Like, either way, it's fine for me. I don't care. Because, like, if I die, I come back around this area with full health. If I don't die, then, you know,
welcome to my shop. What can I get
even better.
you? I'm looking for Drek. Sure, yeah, I got lots of stuff on sale. After the bombing, no one is around to buy anything. Are you okay? Low prices? Oh, you bet. I can make you a deal on a busted turburator, a mangled carbonizer, or I got this info bot. Guess that bombing was pretty loud, huh? Oh, you're one shrewd negotiator. I'll tell you what. I can let this infobot go for half price.
Fucking asshole. Half price, $2,000. I bought Infobot for $500. You are a scam artist at best, good sir. Don't know what that is. Of course, that's also why they dropped like $1,000 worth of boxes right here. They're like, here you go. Don't worry about it. Keep the change. Because you're gonna give it all to this guy.
Well, that's about it for me. Thanks. Quit your complaining. I gave you a great deal. Jeez.
Afraid to go out at night? Afraid to go out during the day?
Well,
Just plain afraid? Then you need
no.
this. The Ultra Mech Unlimited.
I'm more scared of that.
Ultimate in personal defense system.
Personally, I am much more scared of that thing, whatever that is, than
Now that's
any
what I call serious
of the other
firepower.
things.
Clank's gonna be jealous if he sees this.
Now, okay. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god. Where's my nest? Okay, oh fuck, there it is. Oh god. Oh, this is oh god. It's fine. It's okay, just one. Okay, now back to my... I wonder if I can make that jump. Okay. I didn't jump far enough, but, you know, I got the bolt, and now I'm back home quicker than I would have been, so win-win. And I'm at full health. Look at all the positives. I swear there's a lot more positives than negatives. Money, 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 money. Hi, Clank. I missed you. I missed you, buddy. Please never leave me again.